Welcome to Mr. English Fast. Today's lesson is called At the Doctor's Office, Explaining Symptoms. In this conversation, you will learn how to talk to a doctor in English. You will learn how to explain your health problems, answer questions, and understand what the doctor says. Listen carefully, repeat the sentences, and practice with a friend. Let's begin. Part 1. Greeting and Introduction.
Good morning. Please come in.
Good morning, doctor.
How are you today?
Not so good, actually. I've been feeling a bit sick lately.
I'm sorry to hear that. Please have a seat. Tell me what seems to be the problem.
Well, I've had a headache since yesterday, and I also feel a little dizzy.
I see. Have you taken any medicine?
Just some painkillers, but they didn't help much.
Okay. Do you have any other symptoms, like a fever, sore throat, or cough?
No cough or sore throat, but my body feels weak.
The doctor listens carefully and takes notes. He prepares to ask more questions to understand the patient's symptoms better. Vocabulary: headache, pain in your head. Dizzy, feeling like things are spinning. Painkillers, medicine that helps reduce pain. Fever, when your body temperature is high. Weak, not strong, feeling tired or without energy.
Part 2. Describing symptoms in detail. When did the headache start?
It started yesterday afternoon. I thought it was just stress, but it didn't go away.
I see. Have you been sleeping well?
Not really. I've been sleeping only 5 hours each night.
That might be part of the problem. Are you eating regularly?
Sometimes I skip breakfast because I'm in a hurry.
It's important to eat and rest properly. Have you had any nausea or stomach pain?
No stomach pain, but I feel a little nauseous when I stand up too fast.
I understand. Do you drink enough water every day?
Maybe not. I usually drink only 2 or 3 glasses a day.
You should drink more water, at least 8 glasses a day. It helps your body stay healthy.
The doctor takes notes and begins to check the patient's temperature and blood pressure. Vocabulary: symptoms, signs that show you are sick. Stress, mental or emotional pressure. Skip, to miss or not do something. Nauseous, feeling like you might vomit. Blood pressure, the force of blood in your body. Now the doctor begins the physical examination. He wants to understand what's wrong with the patient's body. The room is quiet, clean, and bright. The patient looks a bit nervous, but the doctor smiles kindly. Part 3. The doctor's examination.
Okay, let's check your temperature first. Please open your mouth.
Okay,
Your temperature is 37.8 degrees Celsius. That's a little higher than normal.
So I have a fever?
Just a mild one. It's not serious, but we should be careful. Now please take a deep breath.
Like this?
Perfect. And breathe out. Good. Again, please.
Breathes again.
Great. Your lungs sound clear. Do you feel any pain when you breathe?
Not really, but my chest feels a little tight sometimes.
I see. That could be from stress or tiredness. Now I'll check your blood pressure. Please relax your arm.
Okay.
It's a bit low, but nothing to worry about.
Maybe that's why I feel dizzy?
Yes, that's possible. Low blood pressure can make you feel lightheaded. Have you eaten anything today?
Only a small sandwich in the morning.
That explains it. You need to eat properly and drink enough water.
The doctor finishes the examination and writes down some notes. He is now ready to talk about the results and give advice. Vocabulary: temperature, how hot or cold your body is. Fever, when your body is hotter than normal. Breathe in/out, to take air into your lungs and let it go out. Lungs, the parts of your body that help you breathe. Blood pressure, the force of blood moving through your body. Lightheaded, feeling like you might faint or fall. Tight chest, feeling pressure or discomfort in your chest. The doctor sits down and explains the examination results. The patient listens carefully and asks questions to understand her condition. Part 4. Talking about the results and giving advice.
All right, I've checked your temperature and blood pressure.
How is it, doctor? Is everything okay?
Your temperature is slightly high and your blood pressure is a little low.
What does that mean? Is it dangerous?
No, don't worry. It's not serious. It just means your body is a little tired. You need more rest, healthy food, and enough water.
That makes sense. I've been very busy at work lately.
Yes, stress can cause many small problems: headache, dizziness, or poor sleep.
I see. What should I do now?
I'll give you some simple medicine for the headache. Take one tablet after every meal.
Okay, doctor. Should I also take vitamins?
Yes, that's a good idea. Vitamins will help your body get stronger. And please, try to sleep at least 7 hours every night.
I'll try. Thank you for your advice.
You're welcome. You'll feel better in a few days. If the symptoms continue, come back for another checkup.
I will. Thanks again, doctor.
The patient feels relieved. She now understands her problem and knows what to do. Before she leaves, the doctor writes a prescription and reminds her to take care of herself. Vocabulary. Results, what the doctor finds after checking you. Condition, your health situation. Stress, mental or physical pressure. Medicine/tablet, something you take to feel better. Prescription, paper with the doctor's instructions for medicine. Checkup, a health examination. Relieved, feeling calm after being worried. After checking the patient and listening carefully, the doctor now writes a prescription. He also explains what kind of medicine it is and how to take it correctly. Part 5. The prescription and health advice.
All right, I've written your prescription.
Thank you, doctor. What kind of medicine do I need?
I'm giving you 2 types. One for the pain and another to reduce the inflammation.
Oh, okay. And how do I take them?
You'll take 1 tablet 3 times a day. After breakfast, after lunch, and after dinner.
Should I take them before or after food?
Always after eating. Taking medicine on an empty stomach can upset your stomach or make you feel dizzy.
Got it. For how many days should I take them?
Take them for 5 days. If the pain is still there, come back to me.
I understand.
Also, remember to drink lots of water. Don't skip meals.
Okay. Can I still drink tea or coffee?
You can, but only 1 cup a day. And avoid spicy or oily food for a few days.
I see. I'll try to eat light food like rice and vegetables.
Perfect. Eat fruits too. Apples, bananas, oranges. They help your body recover faster.
Thank you, doctor. You're very kind.
You're welcome. Take a rest, and don't use your phone or watch TV for too long. It can make your headache worse.
All right. I'll try to sleep early tonight.
That's a good idea. Rest is also a kind of medicine.
The patient thanks the doctor and prepares to go to the pharmacy. She feels much better now that she knows what to do. Vocabulary, prescription, a written order from a doctor for medicine. Inflammation, swelling or redness in a part of the body. Empty stomach, when you haven't eaten anything. Skip meals, to not eat when you should. Recover, to get better after being sick. Light food, easy to digest meals like rice or soup. Rest, relaxing to help your body heal. The patient walks into a nearby pharmacy. The pharmacist greets her with a smile. There are shelves full of colorful medicine boxes and bottles behind the counter. Part 6. At the pharmacy.
Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
Good afternoon. I have a prescription from my doctor.
Sure. Could you please show it to me?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you. Let me check. All right, I have all these medicines available.
That's great. How much are they?
The total comes to $18. Would you like to pay with cash or card?
I'll pay by card, please.
All right, you can tap your card here.
Done. Thank you.
Here are your medicines. Please make sure to read the instructions carefully.
Okay. How should I take them again?
1 tablet after each meal. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Drink lots of water.
All right. Should I avoid anything while taking these pills?
Yes, avoid alcohol and don't eat too much spicy food. And try to get enough sleep.
Got it. I'll follow your advice.
Perfect. Get well soon.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
You too. Take care.
The patient leaves the pharmacy feeling more confident and hopeful. She now understands how to take care of herself properly. Vocabulary, pharmacy, a place where medicines are sold. Pharmacist, a person who prepares and gives medicine. Available, something that can be bought or used. Instructions, written or spoken information on how to do something. Avoid it to stay away from something. Get well soon, a friendly wish for someone to recover quickly. The patient returns to the clinic for a follow-up visit a few days later. She has been taking her medicine regularly but wants to ensure everything is okay. Part 7. The follow-up visit.
Hello again? It's good to see you. How have you been feeling since your last visit?
Hello, doctor. I'm feeling better, thank you. The pain in my head is almost gone.
That's great news. Are you still feeling tired or weak?
A little bit, but much less than before. I've been eating healthy and drinking more water.
Excellent. Have you been sleeping well?
I've been sleeping at least 7 hours a night. It really helps.
I can see the difference. You look much better. Did you finish all your medicine?
Yes, I finished it yesterday.
Perfect. Any side effects?
No, none. I just felt a bit sleepy the first day.
That's normal. Sometimes the body needs time to adjust.
Should I continue taking any vitamins?
Yes, you can take a multivitamin once a day to help your immune system.
Thank you, doctor.
Remember, good nutrition and enough rest are the best medicine.
I'll keep that in mind. I really appreciate your help.
You're most welcome. Keep doing what you're doing. You're on the right track.
The patient feels happy and reassured. She's learned that following the doctor's advice makes a big difference in her recovery. Vocabulary follow-up, a later visit to check progress. Regularly, doing something again and again on time. Side effects, extra effects of medicine that are not the main purpose. Adjust to get used to something new. Immune system, the body's defense against sickness. On the right track, doing the correct things to get better. Before the patient leaves, the doctor gives her some final advice for staying healthy and preventing illness in the future. Part 8. The doctor's final advice.
Now that you're feeling better, let's talk about how to stay healthy.
Sure, I'd like that.
First, try to eat 3 balanced meals every day: breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
What should I include in my meals?
Add vegetables, fruits, and a bit of protein like fish, chicken, or beans. And avoid too much sugar or fried food.
Okay, I'll do my best.
Second, do some light exercise, like walking for 20 to 30 minutes a day. It helps your blood circulation and reduces stress.
That sounds good. I can walk after dinner.
Excellent. Also, make sure to get enough sleep, at least 7 hours every night.
I've been sleeping better lately, so that's easy.
Wonderful. And one more thing. Drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Staying hydrated helps your body work well.
I'll try to keep a water bottle with me all the time.
That's a smart habit. And remember, if you ever feel unwell again, don't wait too long to see a doctor.
I won't, doctor. Thank you so much for your time and care.
You're welcome. Take care and stay healthy.
The patient leaves the clinic smiling. She feels stronger, more confident, and grateful for the doctor's help. Health, she learns, is not just about medicine. It's about good habits every day. Vocabulary. Balanced meal. Food that includes vegetables, fruits, and protein. Protein. Food that helps build strong muscles, like meat, eggs, or beans. Hydrated. Having enough water in your body. Circulation. The movement of blood in the body. Stress. Feeling worried or tense. Healthy habits. Good daily actions that keep you well. A week later, the patient visits the clinic one last time, not because she's sick, but to thank the doctor. She feels grateful and wants to share how much better she is now. Part 9. Goodbye and reflection.
Hello again. You look wonderful today.
Thank you, doctor. I just came to say thank you. I feel completely fine now.
That's great to hear. I'm very happy for you. Did you continue eating well and sleeping on time?
Yes, I did everything you told me. It really worked. I didn't know small habits could make such a big difference.
Exactly. Good health starts with small choices: food, sleep, water, and a positive attitude.
I'll remember that. I even started going for short walks in the evening.
That's excellent. Keep it up. You're taking good care of yourself.
I also told my family to eat more fruits and drink water.
That's wonderful. You're not just healthy, you're helping others be healthy too.
Thank you again for your kindness and advice.
My pleasure. Remember, if you ever need help, my door is always open.
I'll keep that in mind. Goodbye, doctor.
Goodbye, take care, and keep smiling.
Vocabulary. Grateful. Feeling thankful. Completely, totally, 100%. Positive attitude. Thinking in a happy, hopeful way. Habits. Things you do often. Proud. Happy with yourself or what you've done. Recovering. Getting better after being sick. The patient leaves the clinic with a bright smile. She feels proud of herself, not just for recovering, but for learning how to care for her health. Outside, the sun is shining and everything feels peaceful. At the doctor's office, we don't just find medicine, we find understanding, advice, and hope. When we listen, learn, and take care of our bodies, we heal faster and live better. Thank you for watching At the Doctor's Office with Mr. English Fast. Remember, speak English every day, stay healthy, and keep learning. See you in the next lesson.